But yeah, I love to get you guys on the schedule, but you know, I hate that that happens. But I'm not gonna say all the time, but quite often I go behind wood floor guys, and that's usually the first indication is they will, you know, you will get prices, and that's why I ask people for the square footage, so I can give you an upfront price, because again, you had two guys come out, and one guy tried to, you know, he beat the other guy price, but now you're back to having to get your floors redone again, and usually that's an indication, because if he gave you that big of a price difference, a discount, just to get the work, he definitely used cheap finish on your floor.
Yeah, and I think he did it on purpose. I was telling that to my husband. I said, I think he did it on purpose. He gave me a lower price so I can give him the work, because I didn't know what kind of work he did, and then he knew the floors were gonna fail. I mean, it hasn't. I mean, this happened like 2 weeks ago. He's been giving me the runaround and come and take a look at it
Oh
for
yeah.
2 weeks. So it's been a month since they did the floor, and he's been giving me the runaround. And he comes out and he's like, "Oh yes, it's your floor." Like he didn't do anything wrong. Like it's not something he did wrong, and now he wants to charge me more. And I'm like, if I have to pay more, I am not paying him. I'd rather go with someone else than pay him.
Yep.
If I have to pay, I am not paying him. I'm paying somebody else, because this is dishonest. He purposely did, I feel that he only did one coat on downstairs and he only did two coats upstairs, and it was intentional. So
Yep.
that, because they knew I'm going to put the house on the market, but I can't put, knowingly, I cannot put my house on the market with that floor like that.
Yes. Well, yep. Well, yeah,
there's
show
no
you.
way.
Yes, man. Well, I totally understand. Like I said, you did. Now you done more in-depth research, so that's how you found me. You watched multiple of my videos. So once you talk to the mister about it, you guys give me a call back, and I'd love to get you guys on the schedule and correct that issue for you.
All right, great.
All right.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See there, guys? There's another one. I always tell people like this. In the wood floor industry, one thing you do not know unless they show you, and again, they're unopened. Here it is. She had two quotes. This is why I charge for my time. I give her a price over the phone because she already had the square footage. She's going to need a screen and recoat with UV cure. And she said, Courtney, I had got two prices. The first price was cheaper than the second guy, but the second guy came down on his price to beat out the first guy, and here it is, a month later, she's back to square one. That's why I always say, do your research, watch videos, ask questions. You do that, there's a high chance you might not end up in this situation. And this happens. I go behind contractors quite often because of this issue right here, and I can guarantee you, I can bet you the main issue that she's having, cheap finish. I always tell clients like this, all finish is not equal, and we only use the best here at Truman. All right, guys, see you in the next one.